this is interesting what I've come across. This is a Ducati SuperBike. I will Google the name. These are the only way to describe superbikes is they are warplanes. They are jet fighters of the road. So you've got race handlebars, superbike handlebars, but you do have Brembo master cylinder out front. You've got Brembo high performance brakes, Showa forks, and what's interesting is back in this time, you notice the coating on the fork there? That's like a nitro something coating that you find on modern Ducati superbikes. So that's pretty cool. Liquid cooled, a lot of power, a lot of torque, really fast. And this was before the Germans had bought out Ducati. So this is one of the last original Ducatis. It's got a very rare Termagami race system for the superbike, and this is a superbike from a long time ago. So analog dials, temperature gauge was what you'd find on a superbike or race bike. Nice coating on the forks there. Paintwork looks really nice. Nice touches there with the tank protector and a kind of a carbon effect. And yeah, that is the 80s or 90s.